Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video, we are going to discuss the exercise answers of chapter 8, class 12 information practice book, informative practice book. So first one, match the following. Here we have these questions. First one is alter. Alter command is used to change the name of a column. When we want to change the structure of the table, change the name of column and all, then we use alter command. Then update the existing information in a table. Delete command, delete the existing row from a table. Insert value in a table. Constraint, it is restriction on column. DESC, it's a table definition. And create a database. So this will be the answers. Now let's move to the question number 2. Choose appropriate answer for the respect of the following. So here you see, this is a table command, create table student. The table name is student, and the first column is name, which can hold 30 characters in 30 characters, and the second column is student ID, which is integer. Third column is gender, which can hold only one character, and at last it defined that student ID is primary key. Now here are the questions. What will be the degree of the student table? Now degree means the number of column in a table. So here we have 3 columns: name, ID and gender. So the answer will be 3. What does name represent in the above code snippet? A table, a row, a column, a database. It is a column. Now, what is true about the following statement? Select star from student. Display the content of a table. Display the column names and content of a table student. Display error as is improper case has been used. Display only the column names of the student table. So it will be the answer, this one, display content of the table. What will be the output of the following query? Now see here, the student ID is defined as primary key, but here in this code, insert into student values Suhana 109, and this 109 is repeated again. So this will return us an error because the primary key field cannot contain duplicate values. So answer will be error. Then question number E. In which of the following query how many rows will be deleted? In the following query, how many rows will be deleted? Delete student where student ID equal 109. So as our student ID field is primary key, there can store only 109 information, so it can delete only one row. If it was not primary key field, suppose it was name, where name equals something, then all row where name is equal to that much will be deleted, but as it is primary key, so it will delete only one row. Now fill in the blanks. Let's declare an index in one table related to another. It is foreign key. Foreign key is used to relate one table with another. The symbol asterisk is in select query retrieve all the data from the table. So this will be the correct one. Now question number 4. Consider the following movie database and answer the SQL queries based on it. So here are the question information: movie ID, movie name, category, release date, production cost, business cost. Now retrieve movie information without mentioning their column names. We have to write the query to retrieve the movie information without mentioning their name. Now first let's see what is the name of the table. The name of the table is movie, so our command will be select star from movie, then semicolon. So this will be the answer of the first question. Now next one, list business done by the movies showing only movie ID, movie name, business cost. For that we'll write select, then we'll write the column name which is movie ID, comma, movie name, then comma, business cost, from movie. So this will be the answer for number B. Select movie ID, movie name, business cost from movie. List the different categories of movies. For that we'll use here distinct keyword. For that we'll write select distinct, then within bracket we'll write category, bracket close, from movie. So this will be the answer of number C. Find the net profit of its movie showing movie, its ID, name and net profit. Now here giving us a formula that net profit equal business cost minus production cost. For that we'll write select, we need which columns, movie ID, so we'll write movie ID, movie name, then we have to find out the net profit. So net profit equal business cost minus production cost. Now we'll write it as net profit. From movie. So this will be the answer of this question. Select movie ID, movie name, comma, here also need one comma, movie name, business cost minus production cost as net profit from movie. Now, is the column now a part of movie relation? No, it is not, because this select query is temporary, not the permanent one, so it will be not a part of table column. Now next question, list all the movies with production cost greater than 8,000 and less than 120,000 showing name, ID and production cost. So I am going to write it in notepad and show you how you will write this query. First you will write select, first the command will be select, and you will need production cost movie, all the movie with production cost greater than. So will all the movies, that means star from movie. Now we will write here where production cost between, then we'll write the starting value which is 125,000 and the first will be 80,000 and 125000. So this will be the answer for question number D. Question number E. Now we'll move to the next question. List all the movies which fall in the category of comedy or action. Now for this we'll write number F. Select star from movie where category equal. We have here two values. First value is comedy, then, or we can write this way also, category in, within bracket we'll write comedy, comma, action, and this category name should be within inverted comma. So this will be the answer of question number F. Now list all the movies which have not been released yet. Now for that we have to go to the table. So let's go to the table first. This is the table. Now release date, you see these values are not inserted only. So we can compare it with null, where release date equal null. So for that we can write select star from movie where release date equal null. So this way we can write question number Z. Now let's move to question number 5. Suppose your school management has decided to conduct a cricket matches between 9 and 12 students. Student of each class asked to join one of the four teams: Team Titan, Team Rockers, Team Magnet, Team Hurricane, during the summer vacation. Various matches will be conducted between these teams. Help your sports teacher to do the following. Create a database sports. So for question A, number 5, for question A you will write this query: create database sports. So this will be the answer for question number A. Number B, create a table team with the following consideration. So number B we will write first: create table team, then we'll start opening bracket. It should have a column team ID of storing an integer value between 1 to 9 which refers unique identification of a team. So we'll write team ID int, comma, number 2, each team ID should have associated with team name, which should be string length of 10 character. So we'll write here team name, give worker sizes 10, comma. Now let's move to the third one. Over here have only 2 columns, so not an issue. Again here we need to set primary key also. For that we'll write primary key inside bracket the field name we'll write, which is team ID. Again we'll close the bracket, opening one, and semicolon. So this will be the answer of question number B. Now let's move to question number C. Using the table level constraint, make team ID as primary key. So for it we'll write number C, alter table team, add primary key within bracket team ID, then semicolon. Now let's move to question number D. Show the structure of the table team using SQL command. To show the structure we write DESC team. Now number E, as the performance is of the student of 4 teams were performed as given below, insert these 4 rows in the team table. Row 1 team Titan. So this information we have to add in. For that we'll write number E, insert into team values, then within bracket first one is 1, then team rocket, bracket close, comma. Now second one 2, this is team rockers, sorry this is not rocket, I went into Pokemons, it should be team Titan. After team rockers we'll close the quotation and again comma. Now third record is team magnet, comma. Fourth record is team hurricane, bracket close, semicolon. So this will be the answer of question number E. Now show the content of the table team. For that we'll write number E, select star from team, semicolon. Now number, it is not E, it is F. Now number Z, now create another table below match details and insert data as shown in the table. Choose appropriate domains constraint for the attribute. So let's see what common columns are there. Match ID, match date, first team ID, second team ID, first team score, second team score. So for that we will write number Z, create table match details. then bracket. The first column is match ID. Here we have characters, so we'll take character size 2, comma, match date. Here date and times are there, so we'll take data type as date. First team ID, this one will take as integer. Second team ID, this one also integer. Then first team score, this is also integer. Second team score, this is integer. After that bracket close, semicolon. So this will be the answer of question number Z. We will discuss the remaining questions in next video. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.